With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question here says how many ATP are required to fix 10 atoms of nitrogen, 160, 140, 100 or 80 ATPs. First of all, let us understand this process of nitrogen fixation. How is nitrogen fixed and who uses that fixed nitrogen and who fixes that nitrogen? So nitrogen is present in our environment in the form of this nitrogen molecule. When it combines with 8 hydrogen ions and 8 electrons, it produces 2 NH3 along with 1 water molecules, and this reaction needs 16 ATP which are converted into 16 ADP. This is the sole nitrogen fixation equation in bacterias. So there are special bacterias which are known as nitrogen fixing bacterias. Some example are Rhizobium, Cyanobacteria, etc. They live in symbiotic association with leguminous plants, and where they form root nodules. So what happens is, in a symbiotic association, the plant will provide carbohydrate to these nitrogen fixing bacteria, whereas these bacteria in return are going to fix these nitrogen for ammonia. Now why do plants need these fixed nitrogen? They can take the nitrogen from environment. Nitrogen is the most abundant gas on earth, and they can intake it and turn it into ammonia themselves. For example, we humans need carbohydrates for energy production, right? But we cannot eat plants as such, or we cannot eat wheat as such, or other substances, other food that provide us carbohydrates, right? So the same goes for plants. They cannot directly intake nitrogen. This atmospheric nitrogen, it needs to be fixed in a digestible forms for the plants. The digestible forms could be ammonia or nitrates. So this atmospheric nitrogen needs to be converted into either ammonia or nitrates for the plants to consume, and this is done with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria. These bacteria fix nitrogen for plants. Here we can see that this is a nitrogen molecule, right? So nitrogen molecule has 2 atoms. So 2 atoms of nitrogen, it needs 16 ATP. So 1 atom will need 8 ATP, whereas 10 atoms will need 80 ATPs. So the answer to our question will be that ATPs required to fix 10 atoms of nitrogen will be 4th option, 80 ATPs.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.